Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Sir Hendy and everyone. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Rehan Alfiansyah with student number 22142234. So, today I want to explain the plot of the novel Women at Point Zero by Nawal El Sadawi. So, guys, this novel tells the life story of Firdaus, a woman who lived in Egypt. She is in prison and will be executed soon. A woman doctor comes to interview her and listen to her life story. Firdaus had a very hard life. When she was a child, her father was violent and she was circumcised, which caused her a lot of pain. She went to school and was a good student, but she was later forced to marry a cruel old man. She ran away from her husband and lived on the street. Then she became a prostitute, not because she wanted, but because she had no choice. And she tried to live that life and get a normal job. But even in the office, men treat her badly. One day, a man tried to force her again, and so she killed him. She was arrested and sent to prison. She told her story with honesty and strength, and she said that she was not afraid to die. And the novel ends with Firdaus waiting for her death, but with peace in her heart. And now I will explain the main character in the novel Woman at Point Zero. So guys, the most important character is Firdaus. And why? Because she is a main character and the narrator of her own story. Firdaus is a brave, honest, and intelligent. Even though she suffered a lot, she never gave up. She represents strong women who fight for their rights. Another character is the female doctor who comes to interview Firdaus in prison. She listens carefully and feels shocked and sad after hearing Firdaus' story. And she helps us understand the emotion in the novel. So there are many male characters who hurt Firdaus in different ways. For the example, her father beats her mother and doesn't care about her. Her uncle touched her in the bad way. Her husband is cruel and abusive, and her boss at work also try to take advantage of her. So each female character shows how patriarchy of male power affect women lives. And this character help us see how hard it for a woman to be free in a society that doesn't value her. And this novel has a strong connection to the moderate feminism movement. Moderate feminism movement believe in equal right between men and women, but it uses peaceful and respectful ways to bring change. And the novel shows that Firdaus want to be treated with dignity, have education, and be free to choose her life. These are all goals of moderate feminism. Firdaus try many times to live a normal life like a getting job, being independent, and escaping abuse. She doesn't start by fighting, but by trying to survive with self-respect. But society does not give her the same right as men. That's why her story shows how unfair the system is. And the novel also supports women's voices. Firdaus tells her truth and the doctor listens. And this shows how feminism believes in listening to women's story and giving them a space to speak. So, the novel supports moderate feminism by showing how women suffer in silence and need support, respect, and freedom. So, guys, after I reading the novel with the title "Woman at the Point Zero," I learned many moral lessons that touch my personality. So, and in the first, I learned that every person deserves respect, no matter if they are poor, a woman, or not powerful. Firdaus was always treated like she was nothing, but she was smart and strong. This reminds me to never judge others and to see their strength even if they are suffering. And the second, I learned that the importance of speaking up. Firdaus was silent for many years, but in the end she told her story in bravely. That inspired me to speak my truth too, even when it is hard. So, and the third, I chose that freedom is not always easy. Sometimes people suffer more when they try to be free. But even then, we must try to be true to ourselves. Firdaus shows me that freedom and self-respect are more important than living a fake life. And lastly, I felt sad but also feel inspired because Firdaus is lost everything, but she found peace in her heart before she died. So guys, this novel teach me that we must always fight for what is right, even if the world is against us. So guys, I think that's all from me, and thank you for your nice attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.